All right, welcome to Sewing with Sandy. I am working my way through some of the summer patterns that I picked up, and I just wanted to show you the fabrics that I've used to match them up with. First off, fit check. This is Berta 6496. I made two versions of this dress. It's a faux wrap. I made this one as a practice garment. Isn't this fabric gorgeous with the linen and the tropical print? And then I made one for my daughter's wedding reception. That was my finished one, but I absolutely love this linen print. So let's look at some of the patterns that we grabbed. First one is Simplicity 3137. I love these shorts. They're A-line shorts, which there you see a lot of those right now. And then they have pleats, so that gives them that A-line movement. But the pleats are stitched down, so you essentially have a flat front instead of pleats that pop out, which are not very flattering if you have any kind of little pooch there. So the stitch down pleats help. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to making this one. And I just have this khaki. So I grabbed fabrics that were in my stash because my goal is to try to use some of them up. This has a little bit of stretch. It's a khaki, kind of a stretch woven, you know, nothing special. There's enough here for a pair of shorts, so I thought I would give them a try with this. The stretch will give them a little bit more fitability as you know your sizes change, or depending on what you're wearing underneath the shorts, so they'll stretch a little bit, so that's a good thing. The next one I love this one. This is Butterick 7045. How cute is that, right? These sleeves are just unbelievable. They're belly and feminine and soft. It's a little button down blouse, nothing too out of the ordinary. It's kind of fitted and it's got a little bit of a bell to it. Love that. The pants are just a pull-on pant with a zipper. I mean, they're not anything special, but this blouse. So I'm gonna make the blouse, and I have this, but how pretty, really super feminine blouse, and the long sleeves, and these colors will take me into fall a little bit. How cute with, like, I'm making this white denim skirt. Oh my God, that will look so cute with that. So that, and I have quite a bit of this. Oh, let's see, it is made in Italy, 100% cotton. Back to Simplicity 3142. It's a skirt with a long boyfriend jacket. I don't have a skirt pattern. I have never made a skirt. I really want to give this a try. I love the boyfriend jacket. I have a couple of those. I might make it if I like the way the skirt comes out, we'll see. But I have this red crepe. This is from B&J fabric. I got to make a dress a long time ago and I never made it. So it's a really nice crepe. It's got does it have a little tiny bit of stretch? So it works good for bottoms. And I have enough that if I like the way the bottoms come out, I could make a boyfriend jacket, because this fabric would be dynamite for fall, right? Really, really gorgeous. So I'm looking forward to making a skirt. I wear them all the time, but I've never made one. Back to Simplicity 3141. Oh my God, the cutest little thing with the scallops. I don't even know how they do that. So I had to buy the pattern because I had to see how the scallops worked on the top of the pants and on the bottom of the shirt. I won't be able to wear them like she has together because I don't want any of that slip of exposed skin there. But I'm definitely going to start with the little tank top. It has a zipper, an invisible zipper. It must have a side zip on it. That's my guess. Maybe, nope, looks like it's up the back. So it has a little zipper on it, and I have this kind of rayon. Again, it's been in my stash for a really long time. It'll make a cute little top. And then I have some black pleather, and I'm going to make my own piping, and I'll show you how to do that. It's super easy. We used to do it when we did upholstery and slip covers. It's very easy to do, and the stuff that you buy in the store is just so stiff, and you know, this fabric is super lightweight and lovely, right? And this has got all the colors in it. It will go with everything. That will go with my little skirt. So yeah, so this is great. And again, it's just a little yard of fabric that I've been hanging on to forever because I just love the window pane with the little tiny print on it. So that one's going on the cutting table. And then lastly, this is my favorite. This was probably the one I'll do first, is Butterick 7046. Now, you see these sleeveless jackets or long vests or whatever you want to call them everywhere. And then it has these wide leg pants. And they're trouser style. They have a zipper. And then this is a button up. What I like about this is it has this really great square neckline, which is kind of different than just the really scoop, because I like having my neck, showing skin on my neck, even if I don't show it anywhere else. I think it's a flattering look, so I love the square neckline. So I'm going to make the vest and the wide leg pants. Absolutely love it. And I have this linen that I have had forever, and it will be perfect for that. It's just a little, it's not quite yellow, which is really the color for the summer and probably going into fall. It's not super heavyweight. It's kind of a lightweight linen, and I'll probably line the vest. And yeah, I just think that the tone on tone gives it a little bit interest instead of a regular plain linen. But I've had this hanging around forever, so I think this is going to make a terrific suit. So those are the patterns that I've grabbed for the summer drops that came out of the big 4 patterns. These were the 5 that I loved, and we're going to get these on the cutting table and stitched up. So until next time, happy sewing. Bye.